Hey, what's up all you Hot Wheel lovers? Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Today we're going to do a little living room unbagging here. Got some cars I picked up at Walmart. Did a little Hot Wheel hunting. The hunting's kind of getting hard to hunt nowadays, but anyway, let's kind of get started here. Got a McLaren W1. McLaren W1 from HTB Race Day. New for 2025. McLaren W1. Got a Roger Dodger 2.0. Top speed 100. What's that? 150, 200. It's from HWEV. I guess it's all electric. Just some big old electric motor sticking out of the hood. But that is the Roger Dodger 2.0. And one of my favorites, Lickety Split, number 43, the Ashton Martin DB4 GT High Speed Edition from HTB Dream Garage. Also comes in a Super Treasure Hunt, I believe, but I ain't found it yet. Not a bad looking car. But anyway, that is your Ashton Martin. And we got another new for 2025. Slide Burn from HTB Dream Garage also. Not bad looking. That is your Slide Burn. And we got a Chevy Superbolt. HWEV. That is the Chevy Superbolt. And we got a 58 Chevy Impala from Rod Squad. It's pretty neat. And that is the Chevy Impala. Okay. And we got the Kia EV6, custom Kia EV6 from HWEV. Well, Hot Wheels coming out with a lot of these old EV cars. New for 2025. This is okay. And that's your custom Kia EV. And we got the power rocket. Two big old rocket motors in the back. Big turbine in the front. From X Racers. That is your power rocket. And we got a Range Rover Velar, whatever, then and now. It's kind of cool looking. Pretty decent detail. But there is your Range Rover. And we got the Alpha Pursuit from the HTB First Response. That is the Alpha Pursuit. And we got a Batman. TV series Batmobile from the Batman. I don't know if I ever seen that color on the Batman. But that is the Batmobile. And we got the Hodo Rodo from the Rod Squad. The Hodo Roda. I know you want to pronounce it. Also a new for 2025. And that's your Hodo Roda. Got another Lone Block HTB Art Cars, new for 2025. I am not a fan of them. They are totally something different though. What it is, I don't know. Is anybody out here a fan of the Lone Blocks? Let me know. But that is the Lone Block. And we got a Tesla Model S Plaid HWV. It's a pretty neat design. But that is the Tesla. And we got the Skull Shaker Xpera Motors. The ugly dude sticking his head out the top. That's kind of cool. It's got a special feature, I don't know what that is. But anyway, that's the Skull Shaker. And then we got a 2018 Honda Civic Type R from then and now. That's pretty cool. And then last, we got the BMW 2002 from the HTB 70s versus 90s. It's not bad. But anyway, that's the BMW. Hope you liked the little unbagging here. Check out all my other videos of 164 Scale Racing, please. You never know what you're going to find. Appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe and come back. Thank you. See ya.